How do I disable ads on a mobile? You can disable on mobile, desktop, tablet, or TV screen. It's fairly straightforward and simple. So let's hop into our Google Ads interface and I'll show you how to do that. So you're on your campaign over here in the dashboard. You go down to, so you select your campaign first. Then you go down to devices over here. And now you've got your computers, mobiles, and tablets. You can bid adjust. You said mobile, didn't you? Yeah. Increase or decrease. So if you do 100%, that means it is not going to run on any of these devices. So when we are setting up campaigns just for mobile or just for desktop, then we would decrease these two. If we want to run a campaign for the mobile, then we would leave this one alone and then make minus 100 over here. But you don't only need to do plus or minus 100%. Let's say you're running a campaign, you've got data in here and the computers are expensive by 30% from your average cost per acquisition. So what you can do is you can come back in here on a weekly or monthly basis, depending on how much budget, daily budget you're spending. If you're spending under $50 a day, I would do this once a month. But if you're spending thousands every day, then you need to keep an eye on it on a regular basis. So I would then just decrease this by 30% so that to bring it in line with our account level average conversion rate. And you can do the same thing for mobiles and for tablets.